here. Where is she hiding? All the others are here already. Oh. Ha! I think I know where to find tips on how to catch a unicorn. Right. Where is it? Oh, yes! Here! And that's right. I see. I think I know what to do. To catch a unicorn, you need to make a trap. And I made it. I only need to set it. 1, 2, and another one. That's it. I only need to wait now.
What's up with all these weird balloons all over the house? Huh, strange.
Oh.
Oh! Sam! Why you come here this minute? I need an explanation.
How should I put it, Sue?
You can at least try.
Well, there was a meeting to be held, but the unicorn disappeared somewhere.
But why all these balloons?
Sue, these aren't just balloons. These are traps for the unicorn, not for you.
Oh, Sammy, you didn't read to the end, as always. You don't just need traps, you also need some lure. Come, I'll show you. Hi, guys. Today I've prepared an incredible craft for you. It'll be the biggest slime in the history of our channel. These balloons hold the most important base of any slime. It's glue, of course. So let's start with this one. Pop, and whoa, so much glue, and it's so bright. Do you guys like this color? And there, to the last drop. Now it's time for Sam's traps. Where are my scissors? And pop! Give up your treasures, balloon. Aw, these little blue stars are so cute. They're all out. Now I need to mix them. I need to mix them really well to make sure the stars are equally distributed in the glue. Aw, look at that. Pink and blue look so pretty together.
Beautiful. I knew I made these traps for a reason.
Yes, Sammy, your traps are really awesome. Right, it's time for another color. And hop, let's pour it all out. Hey, that's more fun than squeezing the glue out of a bottle. What do you guys think? And there. This one's all out too. Time to mix it all up. Whoa. These colors mix so beautifully to make this awesome purple color. Simply mesmerizing. Aw, and all these pretty little stars. I love it.
Wow, this looks just like our starry sky.
Yes, Sammy, but it's time to add our next ingredient. Bam! Awesome! Let's remove the balloon pieces. And now we'll add more color. And hop! This white color. It almost looks like milk, right? It'll give our mixture a different shade. And another one of Sam's traps. Let's cut it. And pour it into the mixture. Oh, it's something very pretty. Oh, this glitter is amazing. Let's mix everything together. I can't wait to see the final result. I think we've got a new galaxy being born. Oh no, it looks more like a magical ocean.
Sue, here's another trap, but I don't remember what's in it.
Oh, thanks, Sammy. Right, let's see, and zip. What's in here? And, oh, these are wonderful, colorful beads. Unicorn style. And one more trap. Oh, what's in it? And, oh, awesome! These are wonderful pearls for our ocean. Look how pretty they are. Let's mix them in. Nice and smooth. And the last ingredient, which I prepared. That was a real blast! This one flew away. Let's add the parrot into the mix. And mix it all again. 1, 2, and 3.
Wow, this slime is awesome! But, isn't it too runny?
You're always getting ahead of things, Sammy. It's runny because we haven't added borax yet. We're gonna do it right now. That was some splash. All right, most of it got into the bowl. I'll pour out the rest. Up to the very last drop. And there. Now we can start mixing our slime. Oh, look, it's coming together. Our slime's growing thicker. I can't do much with a spoon here, so I'll continue with my hands. Oh, I've never kneaded slime this big. Whoa! Look! Oh, so amazing! Cool! So squishy. It's getting all over my fingers. I don't really care. There, got it all off. You know, this kind of reminds me of kneading bread. Have you guys ever made bread before? Here's our slime. It's so big and very pretty. Like a giant anti-stress toy. I could play with this all day long. There are just so many different textures in it. Aww. And it stretches so well. And back. Okay. Now we're going to do something fun. Ta-da! This is a real unicorn lure.
Wow, that's some slime! I never seen such a big one before. Will you make another one?
Well, let's give it a try, Sammy. Bring all the ingredients. Da-da-da-da-da. Sammy, how are the ingredients coming?
It's a creative process. It takes more time than it may seem, but I'll be done soon.
All right, we can start. And the first ingredient. Let's pour it all out. To the last bit. Now it's your turn. Bleep, bleep. Let's make a cut. And it's pouring out. So yellow. It looks like a lemon? Or not. It doesn't matter. It's just cool, right? Time to mix it. And 1, and 2. There.
Are you making an omelet there? Not slime?
What omelet, Sammy? It's your recipe. Cut and pour it out. And now this balloon. What's inside? Awesome! Let's pour out the rest. There. And one more. Pop! Out you go. Oh, they're so colorful. Like real gems. And now, let's mix them. Otherwise, they'll distribute unevenly. And there'll be too many items in one piece of the slime, and the other piece will be empty.
Here, Sue! Take the next ingredient. I'll go get the rest.
All right. And we'll see what's in this balloon. Let's cut it and go! It's pouring. Look at this blue color. So much blue glue. We're making a giant slime after all. What color will these make? And I think that's it. Yep. Do you know what happens when you mix yellow and blue colors? That's right. Green. We're getting this cool shade.
I see I'm right on time. And 1, and 2, and 3. Right, and the yellow one.
Oh, so many. I wonder what's inside. Bam! And one more. Bam! Cool!
Sue, what was that? Bam! I'm out of here.
Sammy, it's a creative process. And the last one. what I call fireworks. There are so many pretty things in here. I need to mix them all together. Stirring, stirring.
Here's another ingredient, but don't blow anything, all right? And the last one.
Sammy did well, and we continue, guys. Here we have… Oh, they look just like candies, right? And the next one. Whoa! Oh, it's powder? Huh. I wonder if Sam put unicorn magic in there. Well, let's mix it in. This is coming out great.
Here comes the brightest star.
Huh. I wonder what's in there. Toys? Bam! Oh no! Almost all of them missed the bowl. Well, alright, we'll collect them all. I hope you recognized Flushies. Sam likes them a lot. Let's mix them into our slime. Huh. The first one looked like the ocean. And this one? Time to add the borax. Hey, hey, hey! And cut! Whoa! That was some fountain. I'll start with a spoon and two. But it's better to make slime this big with my hands. Oh, doesn't look so good. But it should thicken soon. I'll knead it well. Yep. Come on. Whew. Oh, look! Look, guys, it's becoming thicker. Oh, this is gonna be great slime. And done! Time to play! Wow! It's amazing! I can really sink my hands into it. And it's so stretchy! You can see what's inside. So many different items. A great slime. I'm so pleased. Stretch! Have you ever played with slime so big? Oh. It's really huge. It barely fits on the table. Ta-da!
Wow, what a huge slime! I think you can make a bigger word out of it.
Let's try, Sammy. Guys, subscribe to our channel.
And tell your friends about our channel. We're off to catch the unicorn.
Wait, you forgot the lure. Oh, that slime. Bye-bye, guys.